Elebear and the Wobbly bird feeder. The sun was shining bright in Elebear's world, a perfect day for building something wonderful. A home for the birdies, cried Elebear. We'll need focus and happy hearts. Building takes both, says Sister Bear. But Brother Bear wasn't feeling happy. That morning a squirrel had stolen his acorn, leaving a tiny ache in his heart. Why do we have to build it now? It's boring, Brother Bear grumbled. Brother Bear swings the hammer. Whack! The wood wobbled and the hammer slipped, and everything felt wrong. Ow! This is the worst bird feeder ever, cried Brother Bear. Oh no, the birdies will fall, Elebear whispered. When your heart hurts, it's like a storm cloud. It makes your hands heavy and your eyes blurry. That ache made it harder to build, Sister Bear gently shares. I guess my storm got in the way, Brother Bear asks. It's okay to feel sad. Just don't let that sadness hold the hammer. Try taking a long, deep breath and letting out a big whoosh, explains Sister Bear. The hammer felt light now, his focus clear. With each tap, the storm faded further away. You did it! It's not wobbly anymore, screamed Elebear. It felt easier when I took my deep breaths and focused, shares Brother Bear. That's the secret, little Elebears. Heartache happens, but when you keep going with kindness, you build something stronger than wood. You build resilience, explains Sister Bear. Thanks for joining us in Elebear's world. Remember, every storm passes and every wobble can be made steady again. The end.